Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Facebook and signing in. Once done, go straight to your profile and tap the three dots to access Activity Log. Use the filter control to select Videos You've Watched, which narrows the view to only video entries. This step is essential because it surfaces every watched video in one place, so you don't accidentally miss items. Make sure you're using the same account you watched the videos on before proceeding to remove entries. Now scan the filtered list and decide whether to remove items one by one or erase everything. Tap the three-dot menu beside a video and choose Delete to remove single entries. This is useful when you want to keep most history. If you prefer a full reset, choose Manage Activity and select Clear Video Watch History or Clear all within that filter. Once you confirm, Facebook removes those pointers from your activity log so they no longer influence suggestions. Finish by reopening the Videos You've Watched filter to confirm items are gone. Once done, suggestions should adjust over time. If the list still shows entries, sign out and sign back in or force close and refresh the app to force synchronization. If that fails, make sure the Facebook app is updated and clear app cache or repeat on desktop. Troubleshooting with an updated app or desktop browser usually resolves visibility problems and completes the clear history process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.